How's it going, everyone? I'm out here fishing under the interstate bridge down by my house, about 5 minutes away. Try a little bit of creek fishing, river fishing, see what happens. All right, here we are under the bridge. Let's see. Let's try see if there's any bass under here. Little Texas rig, weedless craw. 4-pound line. So, see what happens. All the way onto the other side. Come on, that's gotta be good right there. As long as I don't get snagged. Oh. Thought I had a bite, think it was a rock. Piece of debris. Maybe some grass. Let's go over here. Go over here where the sun is shining. Okay. I'm seeing some little minnows, creek chubs, sunfish babies. Some minnows. No followers, nothing too interested in the crawdad. You know what? I think I might just go ahead and put this rod away. I'm not sure if I'll have any luck with this crawdad, and I'm gonna switch to my ultralight and move downstream a little bit. Let's see what happens, y'all. Yeah, that's cold. Let's see what we can do. Might try right under the bridge while I'm in the water here, right upstream. Fish down current. Now, I might end up switching baits. This is something I already had tied on here. A little 1/32 pink jig head with a chartreuse, curly tail, 1.5 inch curly tail, I think. Let's see. Looking deep right here. Oh, let's try right here. Lots of little creek chubs chasing it. Let's see what we can get on anything bigger than that. What am I getting myself into here? I don't know how deep it is over there. What the hell that even is? Oh, excuse my French. Looking for some river monsters. I'm thinking this is the place. River monsters on my ultralight. Holy shit. Well, I'll be damned, y'all. It's looking quite deep out here. I think we're gonna have to cross to get over on that other side. Yeah. I'm not going that way. It looks about 6 feet deep. Probably should just stay here and fish it, but my heart's saying go over there. Oh no. Okay, that might not be a good idea. Oh, sheesh. Sheesh. We made it through that. Holy cow. My heart's racing. That was some fast water, y'all. Oh, fish on. Fish on, yes. Let's go. What could it be? Don't have my net. Good, rock bass. Nice. Heck yeah, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Rock bass. Look at those colors. Get a better shot with the sunlight. There he goes. See if we can score another one. Alright, so we just caught that rock bass right here behind me in this hole. We got the current going down into another good looking deep hole. Pretty windy, it's kind of hard to fight the wind right now. See what we're gonna put on here. This is what I've been using. Got one rock bass on it, but it's been about 15 minutes. I think I'm ready to try something different. Let's see. Oh, back in there. Let's see. I think, I don't know. I might try to go with this kind of bumping bug. Oh shoot. I used it so much I upgraded the hooks on there, put a little bit bigger ones. Had good luck with it. In some ponds I've caught some really good bluegill with that lure, but rivers and streams, I don't know, I haven't used it that much. Clipping the old line off the lure, 'cause I have used this a good bit. Okay, should be good enough. You know, it's nice fishing a floating crankbait in a river like this, because if you think you're coming across somewhere where you might get snagged or hung up, just stop reeling. Let it float up a little bit. A lot of times I've caught fish as it was floating up, or as it's just sitting there on the surface, not even working it. Got one. On the bumping bug. Different species. Bluegill. Look at that beauty. Wow. Whoa. Gillosaurus. That was a gillosaur, man. Let's put up a good fight. That was a decently small one. And was not upset to catch him. No. I see him hitting it on top over there. Alright, y'all, we're at our last spot of the day. Getting tired, just camped all weekend. Trying a little bit of urban creek fishing before I have to go back to work on Monday. See what we can do. Tied on, little curly tail. I think I may have spotted a smallmouth sitting on a bed. Picked it up once, threw it. See if it'll come back and eat the whole thing. Let's see, nope. Alright, I'm gonna try something a little green pumpkin. Same hook though, so might be a little small. That's looking pretty bassy right there. Let's see. Put it in her mouth again. It's just a tail. Spit it out. She definitely doesn't like the green pumpkin. She does like it. Alright, let's try a regular cast out here. Give her a break. No tail. She just picked it up and moved it out of the bed. Picked it up with the tip of her lips. Come on. Take me home, please. Rip a little bit more off. Bite that hook. Bite that hook. Got her, got her. Yes. Yes. Right. Right through the top of the lip. You see that? Perfect. Come on, little guy. Get that hook at you. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful creek smallie. Let her go right back where her bed is. Awesome. Right back onto her bed. Right back on. No problems there. Yes. All right, guys. I'm all done fishing out here by my kayaks. About to put my fishing stuff away. I was mainly using a 6-foot ultralight, 4-pound line, 2000, I think it's a 2000 size reel, and fluger reel. Rock bass, bluegill, smallmouth bass. Pretty good time. Checked the clock when I got back in the car. I was only out there for about 45 minutes to an hour. Glad I was filming. That was pretty fun. I had fished under the bridge there before. Hadn't had much luck. Decided to go back, go down a little bit. Found some deep holes. Nice flowing water, nice man-made structure. Definitely loaded with fish. Had a great time. Guys, check out my Instagram. Don't forget, like and subscribe. See you on the next one. If these bugs don't eat me alive, Gilsaur, signing off.